crap! This thing is crazy!
Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at the Segway GT3 Pro. Now this is comparable to the Segway Cyber, which we recently reviewed, and I have to say this is one of the most fastest e-bikes I've reviewed yet. Vice versa, this is the fastest scooter, almost 50 miles per hour with 7,000 watts of power. Now together we'll be unboxing it as well as trying it out and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys want your very own, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're outside on this beautiful day, and overall unboxing was quite simple. As you can tell, it pretty much comes pre-built. Just gotta go ahead and mount on these 4 screws here, just for your handlebar, and that's about it. Now this thing is a little bit bulkier than I was imagining, but again, for what it is, it makes a lot of sense. Now coming closer, you can see that we have these 2 nice grippy handlebars, front and rear brakes, horn button, all-wheel drive mode, turn signals, power button, boost button, and then 3 different modes from Eco, Normal, and Race mode. Besides that, you have the dual suspension, giving you nice buoyancy going over different bumps, and then of course a nice wide panel to go and stand on. Overall, it looks really cool, and I love the way it's designed. Has a really sporty edge. So with that said, let's hop on next and try it out.
Alright, and we're off! Now, this thing does have a good smooth transition of power, so right now I'm barely pushing it. Of course, I am in race mode, so if I hit the throttle, you'll see how it just kind of lifts up. Now, it does require you to compensate by pushing some weight to the front when you're doing that, so just keep that in mind, that this thing can easily do wheelies if you really wanted to. Now, again, this tops out at almost 50 miles per hour, and it really does feel like it. This thing is so smooth, and I can just go all day. Now, obviously, you know, power is good, but braking is also good, and you can see that it literally stops on the dime. So yeah, overall pretty good. Now, obviously, you're not always going to ride it on the road, but on the sidewalk, you can tell that the suspension is very smooth. I don't feel any of the bumps whatsoever on the sidewalk. Traditionally, you probably feel every little bump on this thing, but this thing is literally gliding over it. And that's actually a really nice part of it, because I can actually go pretty darn quick. Now, you do have a few different options of different functions as well, including a horn, which is actually pretty loud. You have your front headlight as well as brake tail light, and man, this thing is just so smooth. You really gotta look out for the trees though, as that's the only thing that you might hit without noticing. Obviously, you can come right off, and we're back at play. Man, woo-hoo. This thing is quick. So with that said, let's go for a quick ride and see what this thing can do. Miles per hour. Holy crap! This thing is crazy! Alright, so overall I have to say this thing is a blast to ride. Definitely makes me feel a little uneasy to say, but it is really smooth, and that is actually a really cool part of it. You can go as fast as you want, and this is probably the first time I've ever went on a scooter where I feel more comfortable in sports mode than in race mode. Definitely everything I would want out of a scooter and much more. If you're looking for something that's great for a daily commuter with the boost of speed, definitely the way to go. And with that said, if you had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.